At Volvo, every certified pre-owned vehicle passes a rigorous certification process. Each area of the Volvo will be brought up to our exacting specifications. Included with each Volvo certified pre-owned vehicle is a complimentary CARFAX history report and Volvo's on-call roadside assistance protection plan.
Feel confident in this high-quality vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Find this complimentary CARFAX vehicle history report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.